Hey, this is Rich from Western Appliance Repair, and this is a direct drive washing machine. If you look at that there, you come down here, you come right down to the pump. This is the old pump right here, and this is the new pump. If you look at the old pump, look at that gray material right around that center. That is melted plastic, and that's where leaks come from. When the bearing inside of here gets hot, it melts that plastic and water will come spewing out. And if you look at the new one, you're going to see nothing. You don't have any melted plastic anyway. So it's a bad pump. We had to replace the pump, and we're going to get this give this washer a new life. Once again, this is Rich from Western Appliance Repair, 599-1086.